Hey enthusiasts, today we're catching up with the brand new Nvidia RTX 50 series graphics cards leaks, Google's secret AI assistant project, Apple's shiny M4 chip upgrades, and a little treat from Apple for budget iPad fans. Alright, let's kick things off with some serious GPU power. Nvidia is cooking up the RTX 50 series, built on their brand new Blackwell architecture. Let's talk power draw. The RTX 50 series will demand more power than the RTX 40 series. According to the leak, the RTX 5090 will require 600 watts of power and come with a staggering 32 gigabytes of GDDR7 memory across a 512-bit bus. Nvidia, however, promises improved efficiency thanks to optimizations in the Blackwell architecture. So even though it's pulling more power, it's getting more done with every watt, meaning you're looking at around a 20 to 30% increase in performance per watt over the previous generation. Now, performance upgrades. Nvidia is ramping up CUDA cores to record-breaking numbers, which are, according to leaks, 24,576 CUDA cores for RTX 5090, 10,752 CUDA cores for RTX 5080. More cores mean more raw processing power, which should translate to a whopping 50 to 60% boost in overall performance. And for the cherry on top, let's talk about DLSS 3.5. DLSS has been Nvidia's game-changer in recent years. With DLSS 3.5, Nvidia has added a new feature called Ray Reconstruction, which further refines ray-traced images by improving their clarity and realism. The result? We're looking at a potential up to 4 times increase in frame rates for ray-traced games, which means even games with ultra-high settings will be smoother than ever. But what does all this mean for the everyday user? For gamers, it means faster load times, smoother gameplay, and incredible visuals, even in 4K and beyond. And for creators, it means accelerated rendering times, better AI processing, and the ability to handle massive datasets with ease. As for release dates, rumors are pointing toward early to mid-2025, with prices expected to be in line with previous RTX high-end models, which, spoiler alert, means they'll likely be pricey. So if you're dreaming of an upgrade, it might be time to start saving up now. Alright, shifting gears from gaming to browsing, Google's got something up its sleeve. Project Jarvis. Now, if you're picturing Tony Stark's assistant, well, you're not too far off. Jarvis is Google's newest AI assistant, and it's coming to a Chrome browser near you, powered by something called Gemini 2.0. Think of it as Chrome's personal brain upgrade. Gemini 2.0 is Google's latest AI model, and it's designed to make Jarvis super smart, like almost spooky smart. This assistant will go beyond answering basic questions. It's going to understand context, help with multitasking, and even do things like draft emails or summarize articles for you. Imagine opening your browser and boom, Jarvis is there, ready to fetch you anything, suggest shortcuts, and maybe even remind you to get off Twitter and finish that work report. Rumor has it we'll get a sneak peek at this bad boy in December 2024. Google's keeping the big rollout hush-hush, but fingers crossed we'll see it early next year. This could be a game-changer for anyone who lives in Chrome, which, let's be honest, is all of us. Apple's M4 chip overhaul for Macs next up. Apple fans, we've got big updates coming your way. Apple's prepping the M4 chip, their next-gen silicon, and it's set to power the iMac, Mac Mini, and MacBook Pro. Apple's not just sticking in a new chip. They're giving these devices a serious power boost. The M4 promises to be even more efficient than the M3, with faster processing speeds and improved battery life. Translation: your Mac's going to run faster, last longer, and maybe even feel a little cooler. If you're into video editing, coding, or anything that usually makes your Mac feel like a toaster, the M4 is here to save the day. Apple's also rumored to be cranking up the AI power on these M4 chips. This means your Mac might get even smarter with things like on-device machine learning. Maybe it'll even start guessing what you need before you do. Oh, and the GPU? Expect some heavy upgrades there too. Apple's not saying when we'll see these devices hit shelves, but bets are on early 2025. Until then, we'll be here, counting down the days. Upcoming 11th Gen iPad. And last but not least, let's talk iPad. Apple's budget-friendly hero. The 11th Gen iPad is in the works and it's set to arrive in 2025. It might not be as flashy as the iPad Pro, but this model is all about giving people a solid tablet without the premium price tag. So what can we expect? Word on the street is this iPad could pack an A15 chip, meaning you're getting reliable speed for streaming, note-taking, and casual gaming. Battery life's expected to get a bit of a boost too, so more time for Netflix marathons on one charge. So, there you have it. Nvidia's cranking up the GPU game, Google's giving us our very own AI assistant, and we've got a budget-friendly iPad in the pipeline. It's a good time to be a tech fan. What are you most excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to stay in the loop with the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.